Hi everyone, welcome back to our another episode of our tutorial video, and I am Kate here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to block apps on Google Play Store. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Now in order to block any apps on Google Play Store, first of all you have to set a parental control and put some restriction to some apps. For that, simply open Play Store app on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. After that, from the top right corner of your screen you will be able to see your profile. So tap on there. Now again head towards settings from the bottom of the list. Once you're on this home page, again you will be able to see an option that says family. So tap on family where it says parental control and parent guide. So by default your parental controls will be turned off on your app, as you can see. Now in order to turn it off, simply tap on the toggle that you will see at the top right corner. Once you tap on there, you have to create a content pin. So type the pin that you want to say. Once you're done with that, again tap on OK. Again confirm your selected pin, then again tap on OK. So here you have set up parental controls and it is turned on. Now you have to set content restriction, that is you want to set up what type of content do you want to download. For that, tap on apps and games. Once you tap on there, you have to set it up that says rated for 18 plus, 16 plus, 12 plus, 7 plus. So according to you, set up the rated. Once you're done with that, again tap on save, and in this way you have successfully turned on the settings and the apps were blocked on Google Play according to your restriction. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon, and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.